Gentlemen, welcome. Finally, my first arrival in 2026, and is going to be a fragrance from the beauty base. I bought it, and this is a fragrance which I smelled it long time ago, and I was like, do you know what? Let's add this in my collection because I really like this DNA. So I managed to find this fragrance for just about 25 pounds from the beauty base website, and here should be the Missoni Wave. And by the way, 50 ml of this fragrance on Amazon was about 25 pounds. So getting this from the beauty base website was actually a no-brainer. So this is the box, the front, the side, the back, the top, and the bottom. Just look at this. So nice for 25 pounds. It's not that bad. Let's see if it's straight. Let's see if it's straight. It is straight, absolutely straight. All right, so, oh my God, guys. For 25 pounds, magnetic cap, unbelievable. For 25 pounds, magnetic cap, I can't believe it. Maybe my friends from, they must learn about, because here Aqua di Gio or the toilet doesn't have the magnetic cap, but Missoni Wave, amazing. Also, Profondo Eau de Toilette, the same. And this fragrance is made in Italy. So made in Italy for Missoni Wave. Let's check the sprayer. And not bad at all. I remember smelling this fragrance in Romania maybe 2 summers ago, and this fragrance of course reminded me of this bad boy and also this bad boy. So this fragrance has this DNA, Allure Sport DNA, so I'm thinking this summer is going to be very used by Mr. Daniel, so I'm going to use a lot this fragrance. And this is like, wave, like the name suggests. This is like aquatic, some lavender here, citrusy opening. So yeah, this one is great. I just love it. So Missoni Wave is my first arrival in 2026, and I'm really curious what is yours. So let me know down to the comment section below. And for me, this fragrance smells so natural. I mean, doesn't smell synthetic at all. It is very bright, refreshing. Actually, I would say goes a bit more towards this fragrance to Allure Sport, because this fragrance has a creaminess which is reminding me of Allure Sport, but this is my feeling right now. This fragrance actually is closer to Allure Sport than it is to Versace Pour. This is great. So basically this one is like, I don't know, 80% easily Allure Sport, let's say. Unbelievable. 25 pounds for these guys. How much is this? $42. 100 ml bottle. We cannot go wrong. This is my first purchase of 2026. I'm really happy having this in my collection. And also some people said this fragrance has a decent performance, like 6 to 7 hours of longevity, so I cannot be bothered. Again, taking in consideration how much I paid, 25 pounds, the scent, which is absolutely amazing. And also look at this presentation. I mean, this one is great. I love the bottle, I love the cap. Everything is just top notch. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care of you. Bye bye.